First we'll create a chart. Right click, new sheet object, chart. Here I want to create some strike table. Here I want to display customer wise sales. Okay. Here I'll add customer as dimension. Next, and I want to give expression as sum of sales. Okay, I'll give label as sales. And click on finish. See, in general, if we create customer wise sales, if we create chart, it will display all customers and their sales. All these are customers. Here we have so many customers. See? All these are customers. But I don't want all these customers. I want only top 5 customers only. Top 5 customers based on sales. Okay. So simply we can achieve this one by using dimension limits tab. That is easy. Say select this one, largest 5 value units means these are top 5 customers only. All these are top 5 customers. But here the problem is in QlikView 11 only we have dimension limits tab. In previous versions we don't have dimension limits tab, and QlikView 10.9 we don't have this dimension limits tab. If you don't have dimension limits tab, how can we do this one? We can do this one by using dimensions tab as well as expressions tab. Properties, deselect this one. Now how can we do this one by using dimensions tab? Right click, properties, go to dimensions tab. Here see, we can remove this one and then click on add calculated dimension. You can click this one or simply select the dimension and click on edit. Here we need to give that expression. If first we need to perform customer wise grouping, AGGR of sum of sales, comma, dimension customer. Then we need to calculate ranks. Rank of sum of sales. If this rank equal to 1, to display customer. Click on OK. Okay. Sorry, top 5 customers means if the rank less than or equal to 5. Click on edit. If the rank less than or equal to 5. Okay, display customer. See? Less than or equal to 5. See? Top 5 customers. To avoid this type of empty records, we need to enable suppress when value equal to null. Suppress when value equal to null. See? Top 5 customers. Here is not displaying. See, here I want to give label as customer. Customer. Just click on apply. Okay. This one. These are top 5 customers. Go to properties. I'll remove this one. Add customer. Now it is displaying all customers and their sales. That I don't want all. I want to display top 5 customers. So using expressions tab. See. Here instead of sum of sales, we need to give that expression. First we need to perform customer wise grouping, sum of sales, then dimension customer, then we need to calculate ranks, rank of sum of sales. If this rank less than or equal to 5, 5. We need to display sum of sales. Why? Because we are writing this expression in the expressions tab. In expressions tab means we need to give expression here. In dimensions tab is here we need to give dimension name. Click on OK. Apply. See, it is displaying top 5 customers only. Now we'll create a chart. Customer wise, salesman wise sales. We'll create a slide table. Select slide table. Click on next. Customer wise, salesman wise, sales. I want to give expression as sum of sales. Okay. Now see, here for each and every customer it is displaying multiple salesmen. For ad agency, 2 salesmen. Today case and picture, 4 salesmen. But I don't want all salesmen. I want to display only customer name and his top salesman only. I don't want to display all salesmen. So right click, properties, then go to dimensions tab. Here we need to edit salesman. Select salesman and click on edit. Here we need to give that expression. Aggr of, then expression sum of sales, comma, dimensions, customer, comma, salesman. Then we need to calculate ranks. Rank of sum of sales. Now if this rank equal to 1, we need to display salesman. Click on OK. I want to give label as salesman. To avoid these empty records, what we need to do? We need to enable. Select this one. We need to enable suppress when value is none. And say. Click on apply. Now see. For ad agency, top salesman is Sabrina Richards. Asian Pizza top salesman is Bob Park. Atlantic Marketing top salesman is this one. Barley Foods. Like, see, customer name and his top salesman. Suppose here I'll remove this dimension. Add salesman again. Now it is displaying a customer and all his salesmen. Now I want to display only top salesman. I want to display this one by using expressions tab. Go to expressions tab. Here instead of sum of sales, here we have to give that expression. First we need to perform customer and salesman wise grouping. Aggr of sum of sales, comma, customer, comma, salesman. Then calculate ranks. Rank of sum of sales. If this rank equal to 1, I have to display sum of sales. Click on OK. Customer and his top salesman. Customer name and his top salesman. Like that.